Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Fashionsta, the box, and I did something I have never done before. I actually filmed 3/4 of this video before I looked up and saw that my camera was not on. And so we're going to do it again. And I can't pretend like I've never seen these products because I have, and that's not who I am. I have to be honest with you guys. I have seen some of them. There are products that I've never seen and brands that I've never seen, so it is a great box, but I'm not even going to pretend to act surprised. Let me tell you a little bit about the box. This is the Fashionsta January box. They are a new box, and they are having a little bit of what they consider trouble getting it out in a timely fashion. So this is the one that we just received for our January box, and they say February is also going to be a little late. By March, they hope to start getting it out sooner, and then by summer, they hope to get it out within 5 days of billing you. So they're a new company and they're working on getting better, and that's fine with me. When we open it up, I have already taken out some of the products. I did not put them back. I did not see the need to fake it for you guys. This is what it looks like closed, and I have about half the products still in here. And right off the top, we had a box card and then a little bit about each of the products that we have. But let me tell you about the box first. It says, Happy New Decade. Thank you for subscribing to The Box by Fashionsta, a consciously curated selection of glam and skincare products, predominantly featuring trending and amazing indie brands, for you to discover with a high focus on vegan and cruelty-free practices. With every box subscription, we help 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. So I think that is fantastic. And it says right below, we are working diligently to speed up our fulfillment timing so boxes are sent out the week after your payment. We truly thank you for your patience and understanding with our later in the month shipping as we improve our processes and operations. So if you subscribe now to the Fashionsta, it is $24.99. Some people talk about it and it's $19.99, like me, because if you were one of the original subscribers, they are sticking with the original price for right now. Okay, let's dig in first to the products that I've already opened. I went on last night to see if anybody had done an unboxing yet because I can't help it. I go looking for spoilers and nobody had. So this was kind of fun and exciting because I didn't know what we were going to get. So the first product we received is from Kaolian or Kaolian. I am not sure. That is what it looks like. And it says it is a Blackhead Steam Pore Pack and the Pore Original Pack. And what it is 2 products in one packaging. And it's a step 1 and a step 2. And it's kind of neat because the bottom just unscrews from the top. And I left the paper on there so you could see it. But I'm not sure if it's something I'm going to use yet. So I wanted to leave it in case I wanted to pass it on. And it also came with, in the box, it had a little spoon so you don't have to get in there. I love it when things can stay clean. And let me tell you what the paperwork says. Kaolian Pore Blackhead Steam Pack and Pore Original Pack Duo, $16. A detoxifying duo featuring a steaming mask that opens and deeply cleanses the pores, then a cooling mask to tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. So that's kind of cool. I don't know the brand, I don't know the product, so I like it. Next, we have by Lucy a Metalit Silver Detoxifying Mask. And that is what that looks like. And these are all full-size products. And this is what the interior packaging looks like. And when we open it up, ooh, it's silver. It's truly silver. It is so cool looking. It smells really nice. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand. I didn't do this the first time with this one. Oh, it's just, it goes on. If I suspect when I dry down, I would look like the Tin Man. That is really, really cool looking. It's very smooth. It smells kind of sweet. I like it. Let's read about it and see what it says. The Lucy Metalit is $15. An oil-based face gel that works as a sleeping mask, highlighter, 20-minute treatment, and moisturizer to instantly hydrate and tone for post-facial results. Acai rich in vitamins and antioxidants, effectively restores skin's elasticity levels and easily absorbs to revive dull, uneven complexions. Cruelty-free, vegan, and made without mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Made in Milan, Italy. That is kind of cool. So I guess it's not going to dry down. It's because it's an oil base, so it's going to stay oil. I don't think I could sleep in this personally. It's kind of thick and oily, and I mean, I would ruin my bedding. Yeah, I don't want this on my silk pillowcase. But I would absolutely use it for like a 20-minute detox mask. I can't tell any difference, but that was like 2 minutes. Okay, that is fun. Next, I had a Lactic Precise Eyeliner Marker in Black Noir. And this is what that looks like. And I am not going to open this. Like I said last time, it's another black eyeliner, so I'm going to save it in case I want to pass it along. And this says, Lactic Precise Marker Liner, $20. Favored by many with a Star Beauty Award behind it, the Precise Marker Liner was designed to create a thin or thick cat-winged liner. The tip is soft and precise with a weightless, long-lasting, smudge-proof formula. So that sounds like a good liner if you need a black liner. Okay, and the last one that I had already opened was this. I happen to know, you can't almost not see it now. I don't know if I'm getting it on camera or not. It's just kind of embossed into this. But it is a CLE Multi Cream Deep Moisturizing Agent. And this is what that looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says about it. CLE Multi Cream, $32. Multi Cream is a rich and luxurious multifunctional cream infused with calming Palo Santo essential oil and extract for moisturizing skin. Ideal for use as a daily moisturizer for all skin types and relies on ingredients like hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, shea butter, and a combination of fruit extracts, sending a long-lasting hydration to dry or irritated skin. CLE Multi Cream applies smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves no greasy residue on the skin. Apply all over the face, body, and even the ends of your hair if they need hydration, which I thought was so interesting. And I showed last time that it comes out very reasonably in case you just wanted a small amount to use on your face. And it just rubs in just like a regular moisturizer would. It's just a white, creamy moisturizer. And it smells really good. I said last time, and I actually went back and looked at the ingredients because it smells, and it smells the same to me this time, a lot like licorice. And you guys know I am allergic to licorice. So I was like, oh my gosh. So I went back and looked at the ingredients, and it does not have it in it. So, but that is absolutely what the smell makes me think of. There's no anise or anything. It just smells nice, kind of woody and herbally. Okay, that is what I had already opened. So now we are back into surprises. Yay! So next I have the Bang Beauty and Kiss Me. Well, let's just read the paperwork and see what it is. Then we'll play with it. Bang Beauty Lip Crayon, $18. This long-wearing lip crayon delivers high pigment and rich color that lasts. It locks in hydration, leaving your lips soft long after wear. Using one swipe, the Bang Beauty Lip Crayon delivers full coverage while feeling extremely lightweight to the touch. Lightweight, non-sticky, high pigment, long-lasting, cruelty-free. Well, let's see if I got a color I can use. Kiss Me sounds like a good color. It does. It looks good. This is what it looks like. Let's get in here. Open this right up. Oh, it's very pretty. Kind of pinky, and oh, it's perfect for me. That is nice. You can see that it's kind of got some shine to it. I'll have on a lot of lips, but let's put a coat of this over it. It actually showed up over what I already had on, and it made it look more pink. And it feels really nice. I like that a lot. Yay! Next we have something by Luna by Luna. We've had that brand before in one of our boxes. Let's see what this is. This is all a new and a surprise. So, wow, it looks kind of blue. I wonder what it is. Lip oil. All right. Let's get in here. Oh, it smells very sweet. I will put it on the back of my hand. It's just shiny. It's just got a little bit of a shine to it, and it's kind of nice. Let's read about it. I love a lip oil, especially if it's good for you and it's something you can use at night. This is Luna by Luna lip oil, $18. This lip oil formula is a luxurious treatment oil that transforms lips from dry and damaged to moisturized and hydrated, all the while adding just a hint of sheer color. The instant lightweight technology nourishes and hydrates while soothing your lips and giving them a natural shine and appearing fuller. The innovative gel texture of the oil hugs your lips while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can apply as little or as much as desired. That sounds awesome. Okay, and last but not least, we have a palette, I can tell that. A City Limits by Iby Beauty. That is what the box looks like. Let's get in here and see what the palette looks like. Oh, it's very pretty. A lot of neutrals. This is going to be really, really usable. And that is the palette. How pretty is that? With those pops of pink and blue, but all of those neutrals. I like it. Let's see what the paperwork says. Iby Beauty, or is it Iby? Iby Beauty City Limits Eyeshadow Palette, $20. This eyeshadow palette is packed with 12 highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades, infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. This mauve palette, that's why I like it, has the ideal balance of light, transition, and dark shades. We can't wait to see the looks you'll create. $20 is a really reasonable palette. I don't think I have any Iby Beauty. Well, let's get in here and let's just go straight across that top row. And that is just a matte. This is perfect. It's a perfect all over matte. Oh, and a really creamy gold. And this one has kind of a coppery brown. And this is, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, she's a gorgeous pink. So Road Trip, Nightfall, Headliner, and Drop Base. Those are pretty. That is what that looks like. So pretty. I like it. That is great coverage. I like that a lot. Well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and clean that off. While we're doing it, let's just do all 3 rows. You guys might like to see it, right? I have never had an Iby palette. If you've used Iby before, let me know below. What do you think? Is it usually, I mean, $20 is a very reasonable palette. Can you purchase it somewhere that I've never noticed? Okay, for the next row, we have Glamping, Fire and Ice, Playlist, and VIP. So we've got, this is a matte. This is a metallic. We have another matte, I believe. Nope, it's got a little bit of satin. I'd say a satin. It's just got a little shine to it. And then this is another, is that what it's called when it's just a little more than a matte but not a metallic? I think it's a satin. Oh wow, these colors really pop. I'm super impressed. Those are so pretty. I mean, that really has some pop to it. Okay, and the bottom row we have Silent Disco, Light Show, Dance Party, and Backstage. And we have another matte. This one we're flat out going to call metallic. This one looks metallic too. It's kind of a greenish color, kind of a cross between a green and a charcoal. And then this pretty blue is a matte. So let's see. Now I know, and I'm the first one to say that fingers are not brushes. But I will tell you, just from the finger swatching, I am super impressed with this palette. I mean, it is really pretty. Those colors are gorgeous. I mean, that would be a gorgeous eye. Okay, I like this palette a lot. 2 thumbs up so far. If you have any interest, see, I'm all saying this because I did one little eye look the other day. If you have any interest in seeing this as an eye look, let me know below. And that is the end of our Fashionsta box. So we got this nice City Limits palette. We got the Metal Lit mask, hydrator, moisturizer, everything in silver. We got this cool Luna by Luna lip oil that they say is in sapphire, but I just got clear colors off of it. I got this gorgeous Bang lip, which is a beautiful color for me. You guys seeing the look I'm having here? We got a nice black eyeliner. I'll pass it along. Happy heart. We have the CLE Multi Cream, which is a really nice feeling. The smell is a little licoricey, but there's no licorice in it. And we received the double step 1, step 2 pore cleanser mask, which is really interesting. And I never opened the top one, but that is what the top one looks like. So it's just, that's the one that opens your pores and the bottom one's the one that tightens them. So that is all very interesting. And according to our paperwork, for our $19.99, or for my $19.99, if you just subscribe now, it's gone up to $24.99. But still, this is a great value, $139 worth of product. But like I always say with these boxes, and I never tire of it, especially when it's such a great box, I love the eyeshadow palette. This silver thing is going to be really cool to try. The lip oil, totally loving it. This lippy, perfect color for me. I will happily try a moisturizer at this time of year, I can tell you. And this pore mask, if I don't love it, I will sure pass it along to somebody who does. So it was a fantastic box this month. I could not be happier. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here with me. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.